So when we went to York, Tom and I also took a little short trip to the east and visited the Lower Susquehanna Model Railroaders Club. The club is located in an abandoned church that had two floors. On the lower level was the O gauge, and on the upper level there was an HO layout, which you'll see in a little bit. The O gauge layout was impressive. It had three mainline tracks with several sidings and a small yard, and it was hard to believe that this was a modular layout. Construction on a more permanent layout was already underway. You could see that around the side of the room. I had brought along my MTH Premier Allegheny, and it was great to see it run on such a large layout with such great scenery. I'd like to thank all of the club members who welcomed us to their layout and fed us, gave us something to drink, and we had a great time. There was also a neat little kiddie layout which showed just how much action and neat scenery you can pack into a small area. Upstairs, there's a permanent HO layout that depicts the Columbia, Pennsylvania location of the layout. It shows just how much more you can pack into the same area, and I was really impressed with this layout.